my channel. So I'm going to be doing, as you can tell by the title, a little demo makeup tutorial using Jeffree's new launch, his blood sugar launch. I'm sure all of you have seen this, much hype around it, and I'm super excited to have it. So I just got this literally like a couple hours ago, so I'm sitting down to review it. I'm also gonna be doing a Valentine's video because, like a makeup tutorial, because it's, I mean, like very Valentine's Day-y, you know what I mean? Very red and pink. It's like the perfect makeup to do that with. So I'm gonna kill two birds with one stone. Also, please ignore my breakouts. I don't know what's happening. Try to get this under control. It's very obvious. Like, it's like kind of like a line. Alright, so I will show you guys all of the collection. I'm not going to do swatches or anything because you guys know I hate doing swatches. I'm literally the worst. I'm not the worst at it, but like I don't like it. Alright, so the first thing we have right here is the blood sugar palette, which is like literally, okay, this packaging, it's supposed to mimic like a first aid kit maybe? I don't really know, but this is legit. I've never seen a palette like this before. So you open it like boom and bam. Oh, I see you. Alright, so here's the palette in all its glory. Very Valentine's Day, so I can definitely make a Valentine's Day look with this. The pans are a little bit smaller, but I'm gonna, as a reference, here is his normal pans. They are still pretty big though. They're bigger than a normal eyeshadow, like a MAC shadow or like a Morphe shadow or whatever. But here's like a little comparison of the pan size. The packaging for this launch is chrome, like red chrome, which is badass. Alright, so the first one is Androgyny. I kind of messed up the tip on this, my bad. This is already a liquid lipstick, but this is in a lipstick form. This one is Sinister. I believe this is a new shade. And then here's Calabasas, and this one also is a pre-existing liquid lipstick. And we have 4 liquid lipsticks. This one's Romeo. This one's pretty. It's like almost like a pinkish watermelon. So this one is Problematic. This one is gorgeous. I love this color. I probably wouldn't rock this, but it's so pretty. Here's a metallic silvery gray. This is called Restraints. And the last liquid lipstick is called Self-Control. It's like a lilac purple. Alright, so there's 2 of the velour liquid scrubs. This one is Cherry Soda and this one is Candy Necklace. I tried both of these and I do like both of them. They're both sweet. There's some of his flavors that I'm not into, but I really like these ones. Alright, and the last thing is this mini liquid lipstick Volt. So these are all like reds, love me not. So here's what it looks like. These are all pre-existing shades, but these are in mini forms. And these vaults are like kind of like cohesive. So like he had a nude one before. These ones are like pinks and reds. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take Cake Mix and mix a little of Ouch in it. And I'm going to just put that in my crease as a transition shade. Alright, so I'm going to go with the shade Fresh Meat and I'll put that into my crease. This one does have a little bit of fallout, so I would tap your brush off before going in. I'm bringing this up a little bit higher and smoke it out. This is going to be like a transition. I'm going to put one more shade in my crease. It's going to be a little bit darker. This one is super pigmented. I'd be careful with this if you don't want a lot of pigmentation. Alright, now I'm going to go with that deep, dark, purpley plum in shade Coma. And put that right into my lower crease. I'm actually going to put Fresh Meat right on the outer corner of my eyelid in the inner corner for a little bit of a halo. Alright, so I'm going to grab Coma and with a little small pencil brush, this one is by Charlotte Tilbury, I'm going to put this on the outer corner, on the very outer edge of the eyelid. I'm going to meet it up with the crease. Alright, so I'm going to take the white shade called Glucose, and I'm going to pack that onto my lid. That is pigmented. Alright, so I'm going to take the shade Sweetener, and I'm going to use that to highlight the brow bone. Alright, I'm going to take the shade Candy Floss, and I'm going to get that wet on a pencil brush. I'm just going to spray that with some setting spray. And I'm just going to put that right in the inner corner. Alright, so I'm going to run that shade Coma underneath the lower lash line. So off camera, my camera is overheating, so I kind of like didn't realize, but while I was filming, but I was doing the under eyes. So what I did is I just took this eyeliner by NYX. This is in shade Nebula. I put that on the outer corners of my lash line, or my waterline. And then I took this pink one and I put that in the center. This is called Disco Range. And I took this one by NYX. This is a pastel pink. This is called Seashell. I just put that right over it, the pink. Just kind of lighten it up a little bit so it wasn't too white. And that's where we're at now. I was gonna do like liner and all this crazy stuff, but I feel like this is just kind of dramatic and crazy enough as is. I might do something underneath right here, maybe like a couple hearts. But I'm gonna go ahead and just finish the other eye, put on lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the eyes are completed. So I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 of the liquid lipsticks. I'm gonna make little hearts underneath my eyes right here coming down. I'm really into that lately. I've done a few other looks like where there's like things right here like crystals or like that crying look that I did. But I'm gonna take this new liquid lipstick, this one's Self Control, and I'm also gonna take doll parts. This one is part of the mini vault, but I have the full size, so I'm just gonna use this first. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use Self Control first. And I'm just going to, these are eye safe, by the way. These all of his liquid lipstick, so they're okay to use around the eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these and draw little hearts underneath my eyes. Alright, so I decided just to go with doll parts for my lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop her all one. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. This is my Valentine's Day look. Alright, so this palette is I really enjoyed this. I didn't use a ton of colors in this, but I mean, Jeffree's eyeshadows like across the board are just really good. As you can see, they're super pigmented, they blend out. I'm actually kind of shook by this look, it's kind of grungy almost, 'cause it's very dramatic and a little bit dark. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. On this collection, I think it's great. This palette is so cool. I love the packaging. It's so big. There's a good amount of colors in here. They're all kind of like in the same family, but still you can do multiple looks with this palette. There are 18 eyeshadows. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you recreate this at all, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.